Peace. Good morning, guys. It's your boy Rish. So today we're having a little special guest on the channel. A lot of you guys know him, Justin, OG, got a real clean TSX, builds it official. He's always informative, helping out people in the TSX community. Been part of it for like 8 years. He's coming today to pick up my old TSX doors. 3 of them, maybe 4, depending if he likes the other one. But with that being said, yeah, I just wanted to do a little vlog today and, you know, have a little special guest. Finally meeting the OG that I've been bugging constantly, you know, for some help and info. You know, he's real informative. He knows a lot of shit about TSXs, so real good person to talk to. Shout out to him. He should be here 30 minutes or so. I'm gonna take out the doors right now and, you know, just have it on the side, ready, prep it, get the day going. Drop a like, subscribe, and thanks for supporting the channel, guys. I'm trying to get some merch and stuff going soon, and, you know, a lot of things in the works. So guys, correction, he just said he's gonna be on his way. An hour and a half, he'll be here. I have to go do an oil change for my homeboy at the smoke shop, the little owner, his 05 Honda Odyssey. So yeah, I'm about to go probably do that right now, go scoop up his van down the street and come do the oil change right quick. All right guys, we're back at the house. Got his van over here, about to do this oil change right quick. I had to go stop at AutoZone. Let me do this right quick. Justin should be here in like 45 minutes, so let me try to bang this out. Yeah, a little sauce, little sauce. I'm gonna lie. Hey yo, what the fuck? What is this? What's going on here? Open it, see this. Like there's just a whole cap or something missing. Maybe that's the whistling I'm hearing. I was hearing some whistling. And it's on the Odyssey. Pop the hood. Oh look, am I gonna be on Google Maps? What is that? What is that? Looks like Google Earth. Doing the oil change. That shit, it was too much oil on here because it's more than a gallon, more than 5 quarts in this shit. And that shit was pretty dark. And he has no oil cap. Right now I'm just putting in the last bit of oil. This man really doesn't have an oil cap, dude. Like, that shit is wild. Like I'm in disbelief, bro. Shoot to the side over here. So yeah, that's the oil change. We start it up, let it run for a second, turn it off, check the dipstick, make sure the oil level's good. That's done, and Justin should be here soon, so got it done in nick of time. So, the homie Justin is about to be here in like 5 minutes or so. Got him a Rish bundle, and for his kids, I got him 2 mediums and a large for himself. Said I was gonna send him out some before, but now we have a chance to finally meet up. Uh-oh. Man himself, bro, little taco. What's going on, man?
Yeah, man. Good man. Push out the car, bro.
It's all good. Justin here, the OG of the TSX guys, and finally got to meet him. You live in what, Virginia? Or?
Yeah.
Virginia. Yep. And he deploys a lot, so he's out and about everywhere. And got his taco over here, but sadly it's not the CL9, but hey. Yeah, we'll meet up again sometime. Got mine all fucking junked out right now. So he came here to pick up the doors for his son's project car. Got a nice blue 05 6-speed. Your hand right here. Just slip off. I don't want that. But yeah, he was in New York already, so like almost like 2 hours because of traffic and stuff. But shout out to him for coming out and helping me clear out some parts because I need more room. So yeah, and the mirrors as well. So mostly body parts are all gone except for in this door because it's damaged. So I don't blame him. I want to buy either. So, and he don't need it. job, Kent. Oh, I caught it slightly. All right, that's it. Shout out to Justin for coming by. Say bye to the channel. Peace.